The Rich Company property video is presented by Liddy Jennings. Brick Beauty with first floor primary bedroom on a cul-de-sac in an eastern North Carolina premier boating, golf, and tennis community. You will not look back when you move here. Life will be like being on vacation every day. Enjoy the tranquil view of ducks on the course pond from your front yard and the views of the 8th fairway from your back porch. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout the main living floor, split floor plan with 2 bedrooms and a full bath on the left side of the home, primary suite on the right side of the home, formal dining room, laundry room with plenty of cabinets and sink, 2-car garage, incredible walk-in attic space, large family room with fireplace, built-ins and French doors that open to back porch overlooking the golf course. You will love the primary suite that features a private deck and adjoining bath with double sinks, walk-in closet, soaking tub, tiled shower, and water closet. Kitchen layout works fantastically for those who savor time cooking and gathering with family and friends, plenty of storage and counter space too. Kitchen combines with a space that the current owners use for casual dining but would also be a wonderful space for a small den for relaxing or entertaining. Upstairs area offers a 4th bedroom, a full bath and another room for a man cave, craft room, theater room, playroom, or whatever your imagination can dream. Cypress Landing neighborhood amenities are endless. Marina boating, boaters lounge, kayak racks, tennis and pickleball courts, golf course, driving range, practice green, clubhouse with pro shop and grill, the Bay Club, Iris Lounge, the Bay Club Porch, main pool and kiddie pool, playground, fishing, lap pool, and exercise facility. Of all these amenities, the best part of Cypress Landing is the friends you will make. Make the best move. Come home to 211 Ashley Lane. Buyer pays $1,875 AmenFee. For more information, review the details below or contact Liddy Jennings at 252-943-8184.